Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cleaning and aligning precisely. Use the alcohol wipe, then a microfiber cloth to remove oils. Next, use a dust sticker on edges. Once done, peel the release film just enough to expose one edge and line that exposed edge up with the device frame, camera, and speaker. Make small visual adjustments now. Pressing a corner later won't fix a misaligned protector. Make sure to work on a flat, stable surface with steady hands. Once aligned, lower the protector gradually onto the screen while holding the unexposed edge. This prevents sudden misplacement. Use a plastic card or included squeegee to press from center toward edges, pushing air and moisture out. If you encounter a stubborn dust particle, lift the nearest corner a little and use tape to remove it. Then reseat the protector. Understand that the adhesive is microscopic and benefits from even pressure. You finish by pressing along all edges and testing the screen from multiple angles. The privacy layer should be clear straight on and dark from the side. Make sure touch input still responds. If responsiveness is dull, press more evenly or wait 24 hours for the adhesive to settle. If small bubbles remain near edges, lift the nearest corner slightly and re-squeegee outward. Major or central imperfections mean the film was contaminated and you should replace it. One key troubleshooting tip: remove and clean if dust caused a permanent bubble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.